India's defense capabilities got a big boost with the successful initial testing of the first prototype of the off-light battle tank Joravar at Hazira in Gujarat on Saturday. The tank with its lightweight and amphibious capabilities is being developed jointly by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and the L&T. The initial testing of the tank, undergoing development for the Indian Army, took place in the presence of DRDO Chief Dr. Samir V. Kamath and other senior defense scientists, L&T officials. Joravar, just weighing around 25 tons, will have the mixed parameters of the fire, power, mobility and protection. Speaking on the occasion, Kamath said that it is indeed a momentous day for all of us to see the light tank in action. The tank, which aims at countering the Type 15 tank power of China across the line of actual control in the high-altitude zones in the eastern Ladakh sector, was designed and built in a short period of 2 years to 2.5 years, he said, adding that it indeed makes him happy and proud. We have made the first prototype and now it will undergo development trials over the next 6 months, he said, adding then it would be ready for user trials by the Indian Army. Joravar is expected to be inducted into the Indian Army by the year 2027 after all trials. Performing better than the heavyweight T-72 and T-90 tanks, Joravar can travel through steep climbs in mountains and cross rivers and other water bodies easily. The joint development model was a huge success, said L&T officials, adding that it would meet the expectations of the Army. The Joravar, designed and built to have a high power-to-weight ratio along with substantial firepower, protection, surveillance and communication capabilities, will provide the Indian Army with the versatility to execute operations in varying terrain against diverse threats and equipment profiles of its adversaries. The tank is named after the Dogra General Joravar Singh Kahluria, who led the 1841 military expedition to Kailash Manar Sarovar during Dogra, Tibetan War. The firepower capabilities of the maneuverable Joravar battle tank would also be supplemented by artificial intelligence, integration with swarm drones for higher situational awareness, loitering munitions for high lethality and active protection system as a shield against modern anti-armor systems.